Do you know the difference between
今日は気持ちがいい。
and?
今日は気分がいい。
Let's break it down.
気持ち
Refers to feelings or sensations you experience in your body or mind. It's about the immediate, direct experience of something. For example, when you sink into a hot bath, you might say,
気持ちがいい。
"It feels so good." This expresses a response to something physically or emotionally pleasant, almost like how your body or senses react to an enjoyable experience. On the other hand,
気分
is about your overall mood or state of mind. It's a bit more abstract, how you're feeling at the moment in terms of general emotional state, like being in a good or bad mood. So, if you say,
今日は気分がいい。
it means I'm in a good mood today. But
今日は気持ちがいい。
could mean I feel good today or even it's pleasant today. To summarize,
気持ち
is a specific feeling or sensation in response to something.
気分
Is more about your general mood or vibe. Got it? To wrap things up, repeat after Yumi.
気持ち今日は気持ちがいい。気分今日は気分がいい。チャンネル登録してね。